Ladies and gentlemen, we've got Anonymous on the line. And of course, thank you for joining us. 25 minutes after 10 o'clock. Let's bring on Anonymous. Good morning, Anonymous. How are you? Anonymous, can you hear us? Hello.
Yes, I can hear you, but you
Oh.
cutting.
Do you mind moving around? Anonymous, while we try and get a hold of you again, I am going to read the house rules. Respect is a foundation of our conversation. Maintain respectful language. Refrain from any swearing or use of profanities. Our responsibility is to protect your identity. And your responsibility, Anonymous, is to kindly extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people or the person you'll be speaking about. Anonymous, do you agree?
Yes, I do agree.
There we go. Anonymous, we can hear you loud and clear. Talk to us. What's advice you need this morning?
I need an advice of how should I. It's tough, man. It's really tough. I've been with this person for 6 years, making 6 years on the 21st of September. Now there's a situation whereby when we argue, she snaps. She snaps in a way that she doesn't care. She just wanna go. Now I need an advice, Guti. How do I protect my relationship? Because I really do love her. Every time we argue, she brings up something that it's better we end it, and that's not what's this? That's not how to fix things, man.
But if she wants to end it, why are you forcing her to stay with you?
I'm not forcing her. Now, when she says this, I'm asking her, "Are you sure you wanna do this?" She says she doesn't know. I don't know what to do. I'm so confused.
Okay.
And I really do love this person.
Okay, Anonymous. Let's start in the beginning. When did she start snapping at you? And what kind of a person was she before she started snapping?
She's a calm and collective person, whereby when she's angry, she keeps it to herself. I understand the next day we will talk.
Anonymous, wait. Anonymous. You know what scares me about you, ne?
Yes.
When you sound very angry, Anonymous. I'm
not angry.
And remember, tone plays a big part, especially in conflict, right?
Yes.
Is this how you sound when you speak to her all the time?
It's not all the time. It was just yesterday when she decided to talk to me.
Can I ask you something? Something, Anonymous? Can you charm me right now?
Yeah.
Just charm me.
Kuzo, let's
Charm me, say.
Charm you.
Yeah, just make me feel that thing.
You're so beautiful. You're so calm and collective. Which you won't be a problem.
Did you just say you won't be a problem?
Yeah. Won't be a problem.
Hey, Anonymous, I'm a little bit scared, but it's fine.
I don't know what to do without you.
Yo, hi, Anonymous. Anonymous, you have this tone where it's kind of a little bit scary. No, I don't know.
I know.
Do people always tell you this?
No, yes. If you can see me, I'm a good guy. I'm a nice guy. I am a loving guy. I'm a guy whereby when you fight with me, I'll choose silence because violence won't help anything.
Yeah, but your silence is loud.
Yes, I know.
Shame naked.
Yeah. No,
so now
tone.
I'm in a corner.
Tone is everything.
Yes.
Tone is everything.
Yes.
Because no matter how sweet and loving you are, if you sound like you are fighting, it can be misinterpreted.
But when you try to beg someone even not to leave, baby, don't leave. Let's talk this out. She's snapping. No, it's fine. I want to go home. Go where you want to go. And no, it's not like I want one. And I'm asking her to come with me. Now she didn't want to hear me out. She just went there and left me standing. Yes.
She left you standing.
I tried, yes.
Standing
I
where?
tried begging her. So we were on our way to my house.
Mm.
Now someone calls me from work. He says, "No, man, these people don't wanna pay me. What's going to happen?" I'm saying, "Okay, drop. I'll call you after 30 minutes." So she says at home, her mom will answer. I say, "Okay, babe. If you wanna go home, it's fine. If I didn't wanna go home."
Anonymous, can you do me a favor?
Yes,
We'll pick it up by if you wanna go home, it's fine. Let me go to the
Yes.
news headlines. We're coming back, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Sure. It's 32 minutes after 10 o'clock. If you're joining us right now, the Naked DJ and Somizi are right here. We've got Anonymous on the line. So basically, Anonymous and his partner have been together for about 6 years. Their relationship is facing some trouble-nyana. He just feels like she snaps at him when he tries to talk to her. The recent fight has been, escalating, and his partners are always just elevating the tension to a point where she often just contemplates whether they should keep dating, basically. He doesn't know how to get through her or get through to her. So, Anonymous, for the last time, what is the advice that you need?
What should I do? Because I can't live without her.
Lord.
So easy.
I can't. I've tried, but I just can't.
Where are you, Anonymous? We hearing, it sounds like you're in water or outside.
No, I'm not construction workers. Now I'm just a little bit near them.
You what?
I'm transporting construction workers with my techs.
Okay.
Yes.
So are they listening to you now?
No, but I think one of them is in the car listening to the metro there.
Oh. Oh, you're standing outside.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I just
So you say
just need an.
you can't live without
Yes.
you can't live without her.
I can't. I really can't. She's been my. She's actually my first love since from high school. Hey,
Okay.
since I met her, everything is going well. But when things turn out to be like this, it's so hard for me.
Okay.
I hardly concentrate. I hardly do things right. I just can't without her.
You know, those construction workers will tell you that in order to build a great relationship, you need a strong
Money, bank balance.
foundation.
Hayi,
Hey,
you need a
wena.
bank balance up.
How Anonymous uyangihleka?
But they say money can't buy love, Barabosi. Why was I so the how para?
How? So Miss why wenza so?
Ngenzeni?
Una imali?
How money?
Anonymous,
Money
unemali?
is there. Money is there. Mara yena, she do things for herself. She's been doing things for herself.
That's why ulodulo. That's why
Anguva?
ulodulo lo she do. That's why kushiya ukushela nje ushidulo lo kale. Lo shidulo ukushela wona. And then two. And
So kancane.
wenzani?
Why mina ngishiyele lokho? Because we've been together and uyo oqala owaqale wasebenza. Uyangithola, and she's been doing things for herself. Uyangibona? Nami sengijwayele ukuthi lo muntu uyazenzela lo, if yena khala akeza kakhala.
I get it.
Do you think umnandi?
Mina mina 100% nayo uyazi.
Wazini?
Wazi ukuthi ngimnandi.
Umnandi wena?
Blind.
Guys,
Why would you think umnandi?
Because I know myself.
Sonke
you
siyazazi.
felt yourself.
Yeah, I don't have doubt.
So you don't think ukuthi kushela she wants to leave you because she's not enjoying the sex maybe?
Sex 100%.
Thatha wena.
Ngiyazithemba lapho.
Uyalakalazela.
Ngabuhlungu ngiyashizela.
Unamanga wena.
No,
Okay, wait. I'm sensing something, no?
Nawe nje bazokulahlela unpick up.
Yeah. Well, I mean, Anonymous is infectious. Anonza, when is the last time you did something romantic for your woman? Because you have this thing that she's always done things for herself.
It's been a while.
And she got that job first. Okay.
Yeah.
Why?
It's because I haven't been working for the past 2 months. This month, as in like 1 September, we started this construction traveling and I go to the taxi ring. I haven't saved much. Okay.
Yeah, but I mean, some people will tell you that romance is about money. Others will say something else. When is the last time you did something nice for her? I mean, even at the taxi rank, you can even take amaguinya, and say, babe, don't cook tonight. I'm bringing amaguinya. Like, really?
It's been a while.
Why?
Yeah.
Okay, besides or just done something to say, I love and appreciate you. Thank you for having held me down while I was not working.
It's been a while, yeah.
And then for other girls, you give
There's
them free rides and show in your taxi.
No, I don't do that. Yeah, I don't do that. Sometimes, yeah, but I won't like do it.
Okay, sometimes, ne? But not all the time.
Yes.
Okay.
I'll try to be more romantic, as you say,
because
I think she needs that.
Okay.
Yeah, it's been a while.
All right. Let's get to it, but now let's be serious, ne? Let me put on my glasses. Hold on. You know what, Putwamne? I honestly think you're a nice guy. I think you're a nice guy. But there's borderline. You're borderline between being clingy and needy.
Yes.
Yeah. And that's unattractive. And that's not healthy for you. When you start saying, I can't live without her, there's nothing like that, Putwamne.
Mara, she makes me feel so alive. Man.
No. You must make yourself feel alive, Put. You can't rely on other people to make you feel alive. You can't. Let's be serious here. Don't do that to yourself. Yes, you are, Putwami. Don't do that to yourself. Because one day you're going to meet somebody who's going to take advantage of that, and they will use you, and they will do whatever they want to do with you because they know what you're depending on them to breathe. Don't do that. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, and not everyone makes you feel alive, so easy. Okay. It's that person that you love. You know that person.
Can you shut up? Tula.
Okay.
For fried chicken's sake.
Okay.
Gosh. Like umile nje unkonkothele nje ufuna ukungena. Like awusa lubricate uyangena nje. Yes. Hayi. Kunzima kuba bottom man.
Yes.
Siyahlokolozwa nje. Asicela nokucela. Uyazi bottom man inimes?
Ma?
Uyazi bottom nje kuhleka. Yini bottom?
Bottom what? But
anonymous.
What's bottom? Okay. Yeah.
It's a story for another day, don't worry. But let's focus.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Stop it, Putwam. It's not right, Lento inside. Because bazok mistreat, bazokudlala ngawe, they're gonna use you, they're gonna misuse you, they're gonna abuse you. Don't do that. Ne?
Yes.
You need to love yourself. If someone says they don't want to be with you anymore, let them. Don't force them. Don't force things because you don't want to be loved out of pity. Or somebody is so no. There's nothing wrong with you. Okay?
Indeed.
Yes, Putam. So you need to realize, Gucci, you deserve to be loved without having to fight a sweat and tears for it. Okay? Love needs to be flowing and smooth, caring, protective, God, like it just
Understand each other.
yes, and bazokulahlela lo other. And then yeah, when I just stop being needy. Okay.
I understand.
You uphelele bhuti wami njengoba uso wena. You are enough. Cishe ngithi you are even. You are enough. Yes, you are enough.
Yeah.
You are beautiful.
Hey.
You're a handsome man who has a beautiful heart, who is giving and generous, and you deserve to be loved. And if you love, I will totally back phuma lapho bhuti ne.
Yes.
Okay, you can't be threatened all the time. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Uthe yes, man.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
No, yes, ma'am.
All right, when I put.
Okay.
All right.
Hey.
You're a very respectful guy. Like you're a gentleman, man. Come on.
I wish she was more giving.
Man,
Oh, anonymous.
giving how? With time or with material things?
Not necessarily material things, because he says he's been ignoring, treating his woman like the egg that she is since he got his job.
Can we come back?
Please.
Anonymous, I'd like for us to start from the bottom, but we need to get to the top. Let's wrap it up. Naked.
Yeah. Because Somizi, earlier on, he mentioned that, when he was unemployed, she held him down. And now that he's been employed now for a couple of days, but he hasn't even bought her a sweet or a stock sweet to say, hey, babe, thank you so much for how you held me down while I was unemployed. And maybe that could be one of those things, Anonymous, that you haven't shown her appreciation. And you don't have to save up for a big diamond ring. Oh, guthi nayo umthengele iquantum. Yabo? It's the little things that count, Anonymous.
I'll try to do that.
Yeah, we hope it's not too late, ne? And ungamforced. You don't force it. You don't say ngikuthengele stock sweet so you can't leave.
Yes. Yes.
Yabo?
Do they have children?
Yes.
Do you guys have kids?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
Yeah, not yet. Awa.
Angboni, let us know, when are you planning to have kids?
After I get my umsebenzi ngufundele, because I'm a qualified fireman, I've been applying. I've been really applying. Now I took what I saw with Yawa. At least instead of sitting, I'm doing something. I'll apply on the way. Yes.
Oh,
Nice, Anonymous.
I wish I could
Nice.
give you a hug, man.
Nice.
Oh.
Yeah, it's just, the unfortunate thing is we don't know what she's going through. Because
Yes.
Anonymous, you sound like a guy that's got it all put together, but we don't know what she
Yes.
is going through. And imagine if she is over you, my brother, you just have to let her go.
That's
And-
what I'm planning. But
How?
it's gonna be a tough decision.
How? But you are planning.
No,
If she wants to let me go, it's fine. I won't force it.
sometimes
Hey.
it could be meaning that's what I'm anticipating.
Okay.
Yeah, guys.
What do you think she's scared to say to you? Beggar, it's over.
Yeah,
Why do you
most
think?
definitely. Because
Anonymous.
we've been together for a long time, man. And we love each other. The moments we have together, it's unforgettable, man.
And unforgettable.
Okay.
Anonymous, I love you. You deserve love, man.
What takes it to my love?
Yes.
Anonymous, what's your highlight of this relationship? Like where the one thing that you'll remember about her.
The way she's so calm. She's not a person which by angakuthethisa alwe nawe. She's so calm and collective, mntwana bantu. Angifuni ukuhamba amanga. She comes from a respected family. She's been respecting me in a way by ukuthi akekho umunye kwangirespekta the way angirespekta ngakho. That's what I love about her. Hey.
Oh, Anonymous, no, go for it, my brother. Do your best to make this relationship work, man. Come on.
Yes, I'll do my
You
best.
deserve
Yes.
each other, man. It's just a misunderstood.
And now we are reaching our anniversary. We're going to reach our 6th year. On the 20th.
On the 21st, bruh.
It's 6 years ngakafaka
On the
ne-ring.
21st.
Akuthi anniversary le.
Mara Musangisho, I'm still working on myself.
Remembrance Day. Akusi anniversary. Man ngakashadi.
Remembrance Day. Okay, I Remembrance Day. Okay. It's fine.
When is
And
it?
November. It's on the
21.
21st of September.
And
Yeah.
then November? When's Agalan?
November, it's her birthday on the 27th.
Anonymous.
All the best,
It's a lot.
It's a beautiful lot. It's a beautiful lot. Don't worry. You've got this.
Yes.
You're going to win. Go fetch your wife. Fetch your wife.
Go be alive.
Ne?
I'll do so.
Okay, Papa's update again.
He will do so.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, I know. Sharp boy. Oh, I love Anonymous.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Oh.
Shem.
Shame in.
Oh.
Say naked.
If she takes her love away from him,
He'll go crazy.
Crazy.
That's true.
yeah, he'll go
Crazy. 086,02160. What advice do you have for Anonymous this morning? 8 minutes for your calls, your voice notes. Hashtag Ask a Man. Let's go to Simpiwe out in Tembisa. Simpiwe, good morning.
Hello, how are you?
Good, thanks to you, Sims.
I'm good.
What's your advice?
I should give an advice.
Wow.
I thought maybe I should tell my story and look for an advice also.
Let's save it for tomorrow. My brother. Let's save it for
Okay,
tomorrow.
and the advice for my guy
Okay.
is that number one, the way he says, the way Ashong Uti, she did things for herself. She did, she's that. For what he wants to do in life, number one.
Anonymous.
And also,
Simpiwe.
yebo.
Let's save the energy for tomorrow. Ngifuna story sakho kahle, ngifuna sakho tomorrow. Yes, Papa.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you, my love.
Heading on over to Anonymous. Let's go through to line 1. Good morning, Anonymous.
Good morning, how are you?
Good, thanks in yourself.
I'm good. I actually, firstly, it's my first time getting on air. Thank you very much for the chance.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Yeah, I have an advice for my guy there.
Sure.
Yes, please.
I was once in a similar, I can say it's similar or almost the same situation last year.
Sure.
I did everything I could. I was hustling. I was not working, but on that hustling time, I was making a turnover of like 500 a week.
Oh.
I even forced out to buy things for her, and on that time, she decided that no, it's a no. Because I made a mistake of not sharing everything. I was sick for 4 days. I didn't tell her that I'm sick.
So what's the advice? What's the advice you're giving to Anonymous?
Sorry?
What's the advice you are giving to Anonymous?
I'm trying to tell him that if she's decided, you have to accept to try to move on. Because you can do anything. You can buy even out of brain, but
Amen. If don't force a person. Yeah, love that.
Hi guys, can I be anonymous?
Hi.
Namine. Anonymous, my advice that I can give you, Uguti, I've been listening Uguti since from high school. Girl, so tell her all you totolozi, all better, all nandi, all ngono. She's starting to explore. So my joy na, hey, I guy puma girl so tole ezingcono. So I just let her go because I'm sure she's trying to make up some fight with Apumegu. So watch out, my guy.
Hi.
Morning Metro, morning Breakaway.
Morning.
The unfortunate part about this thing is that Anonymous's girlfriend has already thought about breaking up with him. So anything wrong that Anonymous can do, it can actually feed on this thing of breakup. So thing might work right now because Anonymous will try to make it for the anniversary or remembrance and for the birthday as well. But then when time goes on, this thing is still there. the unfortunate part is it can feed up to that thing. Man, I don't know. But if she have respects, man, maybe snapping is because of certain issues of being unemployed and, yeah.
Guys, is it okay if I highlight my favorite moments about this whole conversation, Anonymous?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Can I just please highlight my favorite moments about Anonymous and the whole conversation?
Yeah.
So Anonymous Bati, if she wants to go, you must let her go. Anonymous Ati, I will do so. I'm planning on doing so. A few moments later, Anonymous, you must fetch your wife. I'm gonna do so. Anonymous, I know, Nibatum.
All right, gents. We got a comment here coming through from Master G, saying first time hearing a taxi driver being so honest and loving. He should stick to what he knows and what his heart is saying. Hashtag Ask a Man.
Yeah, but sometimes it's really hard to let go when you see something that you love and cherish slipping away, but you need to let it go.
Absolutely.
Or else it's going to start eating you up inside. It's going to start being toxic, like a cancer inside your body. So, Anonymous, let it go. As that other voice note said, uthi maybe sakatholi totolozi elimnandi. So mina ngazi ukuthi kanti lama totolozi nwadla wonke. Until nithole elimnandi.
Nina nama confectionery nwadla wonke. Ngizwila khomoya.
Bengicabanga ukuthi sawukhuluma ngomsuzo.
Confection.
Uthi umsuzo uphumile. Yeah, actually yes, you said once umsuzo uphumile ubuye.
Akaphumi lona phela ngakhohle.
How?
She hasn't left. It's usase
Okay.
There's a saying that is so profound.
Okay.
Right. It says if someone is yours, set them free, ne? If they don't come back, they were never yours. If they come back, they were yours. And there's something that happened. Sometimes if they don't come back, doesn't mean they were never yours. It's just that they just maybe fell off or died or whatever.
Wow, it's amazing.
No, serious. I went to a funeral. You know when they release the doves, and it didn't fly.
Yeah.
the 3 doves. They went, frrr, frrr, and then the third one just went. It fell on the ground, and then they tried to pick it up again. They went again, and it died there.
It was squeezing
So
it too
sometimes it's not because it wasn't yours, it's because it just died. And that could be love that just died. Do you understand the analogy?
Yes, we understand the analogy.
The analogy.
The analogy, yes.
Thank you very much. Do you like it?
Naked, why the silence?
Oh,
He asked you a question.
No.
I said, do you like the analogy?
I understand it.
How so? How do you understand it, Naked?
You like
how the dove is dead when?
Okay, last question.
How?
Last question. Do you like analyzing or being analyzed?
That's a good one.
I would rather analyze.
Love these guys, man. The Naked DJ and Somizi, they come together to give you Ask a Man. A few minutes later, Khopedi Dilokwe with the news.